Hello, good morning to all. Once again, welcome to my channel, Unboxing Real Estate PH. So today I am here at Georgia Villa Subdivision, and at my back, that's the Sienna model. By the way, this is a net zero unit. Ibig sabihin ng net zero unit is that it is using solar power to power its appliances inside. Alright, so since it's a net zero unit, isa sa kagandahan ng net zero is that ito, natin to. Itong nakikita natin ngayon, this one, this is a power wall. Para saan ba to? Since it is a net zero unit, of course, expected na yung titira dito is may mga solar cars. And to charge your solar car, meron na siyang power wall for your solar car. So while your solar car is parking in the parking area, so dito mo isasaksak yung solar car mo. So this is the charging port. And this charging port, so directly connected siya sa solar panel sa roof natin. It means to say that in the morning, pag nag-charge ka ng electric car mo, hindi ka makakagastos ng electricity. Dahil free electricity yung ginagamit mo to charge your electric vehicle. Isn't that amazing? And aside from that, this unit has a net metering system. And by the way, ang type ng solar setup natin dito is hybrid. Ibig sabihin, may battery, may solar panels, at saka it is connected to the grid. Yan, dyan sa ILPI or kung ano man yung mga electric companies na nakasubscribe tayo. It means that in the evening, while there is no sun, yung gagamitin mong electricity is yung sa grid natin, no? Yung sa electric company natin. Alright, so we are inside the unit at this moment, and as you can see, nakaandar yung 1.5 horsepower aircon natin, and this aircon is powered by the solar panels on the roof. So ano ba yung net metering system? In the morning, since you are working, wala ka sa bahay, yung mga anak mo is nag-aaral, so you are outside somewhere, and in the morning yung solar panel mo is nagkukolek yan ng electricity, and yung kinukolek niya na electricity, it will be saved to your net metering system. So yung net metering system, it will gonna reverse the electricity that you are using. Kumbaga parang ikaw na yung babayaran ng electric company mo because you are giving electricity to the electric company through your solar panels. Since in the evening, walang araw, in the evening also is yun yung uuwi kayo sa bahay, gagamit ng mga appliances ninyo, aircon and everything, yung na-save mo na electricity, yun yung unang kukunin na consumption in the evening. Pwede talagang maging zero, no? As in, zero yung electricity bill mo for a month because of the net metering system, diba? So in this unit, as you can see, design na sobrang ganda, no? And its affordability. Ang pinaka magandang masisave talaga natin dito is electricity because of our net metering system and the solar panel that we are using. And not just that, this unit has a 3 kilowatt battery under our countertop. Alright? And as you can see, ang unit na to, dito yung sala set, yung living room, nandito yung TV, nandito yung aircon. And isa sa nagandahan ko sa unit na to is itong bar nila, no? It is a large type na wooden door with a vertical na bar. This is not a basic door na makikita natin sa mga subdivisions anywhere else, no? Social yung pagkagawa ng door niya, yung entrance door. And ito yung hagdanan in this area. And it has also a vertical window here, right? And isa sa magandang feature ng unit na to is this one. Ito yung partition ng CR. And as you can see, the corner is curved. According to the developer and according to the architect, this is more safer. Medyo delikado kasi yung mga naka-rectangular na mga corners na medyo matalim, di ba? So this one, since it is a curved corner, it's much safer. As you can see, meron siyang partition for your refrigerator. Itong refrigerator na to is lalagay mo na lang talaga, meron na siyang kanyang partition. And ayan, yung countertop, yung lababo, faucet, alright? So may mga lagayan dito na plywood, but you can convert it into a cabinet if you like. Okay. Ang countertop din niya is, ayan, lengthy, alright? So mahaba. So, pag marami kang niluluto, no, kahit isang barangay pwede mong lutuan dahil sa countertop na to. Right? So, di ba? Tapos sa baba, may mga cabinets na siya. Ready to use if you like. Ayan, at saka nandito din yung cabinet for your 3 kilowatt na battery. This is why I am super amazed of this unit. And also the price is super affordable for its design and for its net zero capabilities. And at this moment, let's go to the second floor. Okay? Alright, so this is its stairs. Ayan, so akyatan natin yan. Okay? So, paakyat na tayo ngayon. And as you can see, it is a minimal design. Ayan, so in this area, meron siyang maliit na parang sala or living area for the second floor. And isa sa amazing ng unit na to is meron siyang parallel na window. Large siya na parallel window. And a lot more amazing here is ang bedroom. So this is the bedroom. This is how they designed the bedroom. It was designed using a sliding doors. Ayan. Ginawa nilang spacious yung area ng room, no? So, ayan, ganito yung area ng room natin. And as you can see, it is really wonderful for its design. And by the way, it also has 1.5 kilowatt aircon here, window type aircon. And this aircon as well, umaandar siya ngayon using the solar panel sa taas. Isn't that amazing, right? Let's go down. At bago natin makalimutan, punta tayo sa CR. Right? So, ito yung CR niya. And as you can see, it has a vertical window so na may mga rectangular mirrors. Hindi siya see-through, but the morning it will give enough light inside your bathroom. Right? So ito yung sink. Ayan. So as you can see, this is the sink. So it is also a rectangular type of sink. Hindi siya yung basic na circular. No, rectangular siya. Modern design. Alright? And also, this is the shower. Right? And the shower as well, no, it has a round corner. O yan. See? So, ito yung corner na round din sa labas. Sa loob is ganito siya. And ano siya ha? Spacious siya for the design. Alright? So, pag naliligo ka dito, right, enough din yung height ng shower niya. Okay ba? Ito yung Sienna model natin. And again, this is a 2-story duplex unit. It has a 65 square meter lot area and a 44 square meter floor area. No? It has 22 square meter on the first floor and 22 square meter on the second floor. At isa sa pinakamagandang feature talaga ng unit na to is yung turnover unit niya. Kasi as you can see, ganito na yung countertop, tapos naka-tiles na siya sa first floor and second floor. So, titirhan mo na lang, di ba? If you will get a unit here, magdadala ka na lang ng mga gamit mo, ng mga appliances mo, and then titirhan mo na lang. And kahit wala ka pang connection ng electricity galing sa electric grid mo, magagamit mo na agad ang unit na to dahil because it is powered by our sun through our solar setup. Isn't that amazing? And aside from that, look at this. Sliding door sa exit natin. And this sliding door, hindi natin to makikita sa kahit anumang subdivision dito sa Iligan. Merong iba but on a higher price, but this one on its price na sobrang affordable, you have this kind of feature ng bahay. Diba? Ayos ba? Alright, so let's get outside the unit. And when you get outside the unit, ito yung community natin dito. Right? So this is the community here in Georgia Villas subdivision. Ito yung mga kapitbahay mo in the future. And by the way, if you want to know more about this unit, especially the Sienna model at my back, so just contact me anytime. I will just put my digits here in this area. And let me know what you think about this unit. Right? If you have any questions, you can just comment down below or contact me through my digits. So for that, ito lang muna for today. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next videos. Bye-bye and God bless. And by the way, click like, share, comment down below what you think about this video. And please subscribe to my channel, Unboxing Real Estate PH.